Chinese People's Liberation Army Air Force J-20 stealth fighter jet recently carried out a series of combat patrols over the East China Sea, repelling foreign aircraft flying close to China's territorial airspace in the process, with experts saying on Thursday that the warplanes as sophisticated as the J-20 and others, China is well equipped to deal with foreign military close reconnaissance provocations. During the mission, the J-20 appeared to repel foreign aircraft approaching Chinese airspace, when a pilot sent out a radio communication alert. "This is the Chinese Air Force. You have approached Chinese airspace, leave immediately. Our Navy and Air Force have now achieved routine management and control over the East China Sea Air Defense Identification Zone, with the J-20 performing routine combat warning missions," Senior Colonel Li Debing, a Wanghai Air Group pilot, said. China announced the establishment of the East China Sea Air Defense Identification Zone on November 23, 2013, which was also the first day the PLA Air Force conducted its first combat patrol. Over the past 10 years, the J-20 has flown in the East China Sea, South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait, with more aircraft of this type being commissioned across the country. Mass production and widespread deployment of the J-20 will allow the PLA Air Force to better safeguard China's sovereignty, territorial integrity and development interests, a Beijing-based military expert who requested anonymity told the Global Times on Thursday. Foreign warplanes and warships, especially those from the U.S., have frequently conducted close reconnaissance operations and provocative military exercises on China's doorstep, and by deploying the advanced J-20 on combat patrol missions, the PLA Air Force will not only effectively identify, track and monitor potential threats, but also pose a strong deterrent and repel them when necessary, the expert said.